Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya. I was referred to you by Rosa, and in this video I want to share with you some information that can actually help you boost the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your company. I will be covering the homepage, content, the Google Business Profile, as well as backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. This is your homepage. You have the links to the different back pages and then a brief intro to the customers and to the services that you provide. Now, there are a few things that you can actually do. You could have a click to call button at the top. You could have a contact us form. You could redesign the whole homepage by making it very easy for anyone to reach out to you and adding action buttons throughout the website. You could have like the description of the services that you provide and then link it with the different back pages over here. And then throw in more content, more relevant content, including buyer intent keyword, which is basically the way people search when they want to buy a product or a service. Now, everything that you have in here is considered content. So for example, images can be saved targeting specific keywords. And you can see here that they are saved with the resolution or the dimensions. Well, it's not a keyword. So that's something that you can take advantage of. Also, if you have, for example, videos are really good, but because they increase the time that people spend on their website, and that's a metric that Google pays attention to identify which websites are the most relevant ones. Google has very complex algorithms to actually come up with their rankings, but one important measure is content. So you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words to be optimized for Google. If we have a look at your competitors, actually, these guys do not have too much content. This one has 90 words, and Olympic Ironworks, they have 346 words. So definitely a big and huge opportunity for you there to identify what are those keywords and just throw them in here so that Google can find you for the relevant keywords. I came here to Google search and I type in ornamental gates San Francisco, for example, which is a buyer intent keyword. The first section that you will see is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. They can be expensive, and some people just turn them off in their browsers because they just skip the whole section. Then this section over here drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section that you see is the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found your 2 competitors. To rank here, you need first to have a website that is responsive. It means that it loads in less than 1 second. That is safe. It means that you have a security certificate, and that has the right content that we spoke about. And then you need something that we call backlinks. So to rank here, I use a tool called Ahrefs, and I am right now looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that there are no backlinks. And a backlink is a link in another website that is pointing to yours or directing traffic to yours. If I have a look at these guys, San Francisco Ironworks, they have 15 external websites directing traffic through 128 backlinks, and Olympic Ironworks, they have 28 external websites directing traffic through 640 links. And this backlink profile is really important because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that people are performing in Google. And just have a think about it like a popularity contest. And it's not only about having more backlinks, but having the powerful backlinks or the votes from the jury. In this sense, you want to have those backlinks sitting on websites that are relevant to your services and to your industry so that Google can start regarding your company and your website as an authority in that particular, in those fields. Now, the other section that I wanted to share with you is the organic keywords. Your website is being ranked for one organic keyword. In this view, I can see that it is your brand. There's a search volume of 20, so 20 people searching B&B Welding per month, and you're in position 79. Um, if I have a look at San Francisco Ironworks, these guys are being found for 71 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see, for example, that Ironworks San Francisco has a search volume of 350. And because they're in the first position, they were able to get an estimate of 109 visits to their websites. Gate San Francisco has a, well, this is a very broad term, but uh, San Francisco Workers has a search volume of 20, second position, 2.6 visits. But Ion Windows Bar, window metal bars. So you can see here that has a 300 searches per month, metal bars. The idea here is that you want to identify what are those keywords that attract a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to throw in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those keywords. And then by building your backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top. And in here, I actually searched by San Francisco. You can actually do it in all of the areas that you serve and all of the products and materials that you use. Just to give you an idea. This was just to give you an idea. But the purpose is that you identify what those keywords are, throw them in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those, then build that backlink profile so that you can rank at the top, and then a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage they're going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land as new customers. And you will be able to dominate a portion of the market just by using these strategies. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information, and also please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.